Hey, if you have any problems with your camera on your laptop or desktop webcam, if you don't see anything, you tried many solutions that you read online, in blog posts, in on YouTube videos, and nothing didn't really help. Um, this might be the solution for you. So I was struggling with it myself. I tried to use my camera, but it just didn't work at all. So yeah, let me show you my solution because it's quite simple, and yeah, hopefully this will help you as well. So what I did, let me show you over here. I was just looking for camera. So let me open the app. So this is what I see. It doesn't work at all. I tried basically everything. Um, yeah, from downloading new drivers, to restarting my laptop. Um, it doesn't work at all. So if you have a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 or maybe a Windows 12 in the future, this would probably help you. So what I did, it's quite simple. I just pressed on F8. Yeah, on my keyboard, I press on F8. So I did it, and as you can see, it works. Let me show myself over here. As you can see, it really works. So it's so simple. It's basically unbelievable. I mean, it's quite simple. You simply click on F8, and that would help you out. So there's no need to yeah, install many drivers, do all kind of, yeah, strange stuff. It's not necessary. Just click on F8 and that would help you out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe as well. I hope this is your solution.